This video, I'll be showing you the best, in my own view, simplest crypto trading strategy for beginners with zero technical analysis. Underline the word zero technical analysis. I know you're wondering, is that possible? Yes, it's possible. I know you're tired of the technical jargon like RSI, MACD, the chart itself, it's so boring. Don't worry, you have no need for that again as far as this strategy is concerned. So let's dive into it straight. If you have not hit on subscribe button, kindly do so right now. Subscribe to your YouTube channel so that you can get valuable content like this. Open your Binance, that's what I'll be using in this video. So just go straight to your Binance. This is my Binance here. I'm using the Binance app for the purpose of this tutorial. And the main indicator we are using for this strategy is BTC. So all we are going to do right now is that we are watching out for one thing as far as this strategy is concerned. We are looking at for the 24 hours change in price. That's the percentage. So looking at here, that's where it's always written. You can see it here, 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 you can see it here. So the main indicator we are using is BTC. That's what we are using. So once we look at the 24 hours change, whenever the 24 hours change has increased more than 10%, has decreased more than 10%. So we're looking at negative minus 10%. Down, upward, like minus 10%, minus 15%. That's what we are concerned about as far as this strategy is concerned. That's what we're looking at. So whenever the price, and this strategy can only be applied maybe once in 2 months or once in 3 months, the price does not always deviate that way or does not always decrease that way. So it's not a strategy you apply often daily. But I can tell you, anytime you're applying this strategy, you are guaranteed of minimum 20 to 30 or 50% profits. And that one is more secured, much more assured. Like it's 100% guaranteed. I've practiced this strategy over and over again. Though they were saying trading, there's nothing 100% guaranteed. But I can tell you this one is at least over 99% accurate. Accurate. Don't let me use the word 100%, but over 90% accurate. So you are guaranteed of that as far as this strategy is concerned. So how do you go with it? The first thing is find out the current change in price in BTC in the 24 hours change. We're showing minus 0.06% right now. Should be minus 10% or minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15. That's what we're looking at. So once that happens, the next thing you want to do is that you want to find out other altcoin with high market cap. You see where market cap is here on the chart. See where market cap is on the chart. This market cap here. So you are looking at, then click on view more. This down button, the view more. When you click on view more, find out all other coins. So when you click on that view more, the first coins here that you can see here, all these, they are high market cap coin. All these are high market cap coin. That's why they are on the ranking. I get me. They are being ranked based on their market cap. This is where you see market cap here. This is the market cap value here. You can see that right here. You can see their market cap value and volume right there. So now the coins you are planning to invest on as far as the strategy is concerned. Once you see BT on minus 10, that's the first step. Minus 10, minus 12, up to any negative price it is within 24 hours change. Then look at coin like ETH, SRP, BNB. Don't forget USD is a fiat currency. So it's a what's it called? We are not using that. That's just a fiat. So we have SOL, we have Dodge, we have TRX, we have ADA, we have XLM. So anyone within this range, they are coin with high market cap which have been verified. Automatically they will be showing minus 20, minus 30, minus whatever it is. They'll be showing a high negative price. Theirs will be higher when BT is doing minus 10. Apparently they'll be doing maybe minus 20, minus 15. Then buy any of them with this high market cap that I just mentioned for you right now. Don't apply this strategy with meme coin. You are going to lose your money. It may get deeper. Don't apply this strategy when the market is going up in price, like plus 10, plus 15. And that's okay, let me shut it down. No, this is not a futures trade strategy. It's simply for sports trading. You can only buy on spot. And how do you buy on spot? Let me quickly take you through that. Let's assume I want to buy BTC on spot right now. All I'll just do is click on BTC. When I click on BTC, then the next thing I'll come down to where I'll find the price chart. You see here, right here, you see buy. That's why I said this strategy can be used for beginners. Just anyone, you can see the buy here. Just anyone can use this strategy. Then click on the buy icon. When you click on the buy icon, then right there, you can see on this account right now, this is a demo account I'm using for this purpose of this tutorial, but I'm having 116 here. You can see what I'm having here as USDT value. It's just a demo account. Then you click on your purchase, come here. How much do you want to buy with in this cycle? You include it in this total USDT. There's going to be the amount of bits you can buy. Then once you make that purchase, then you secure. But I'm not buying right now. But if I want to buy this, okay, so I'll just click on buy icon. Then I'll enter the amount I want to use. Let's assume I want to use $100. I'm going to press 100. Then I'll buy it soon. You're going to show me the portion, how many bits I'm going to get. This is how much bits I'm going to get. Then all I need is to click on buy. Then I'm done buying. So you can see how easy it is. So just anyone can apply this strategy. Like I said, just anyone can apply this strategy. It's very, very easy, especially for beginner who are just starting up in trading. So once the price that, then you buy any of this coin that I mentioned, then you are sure in the next 24 hours or maximum 48 hours, you're going to see at least minimum 10 to 20% profit returns on your purchase. That is 100% guaranteed as far as the market is concerned. That's, I mean, much more guaranteed, because anytime the market dwindle down like that, it's always an opportunity for the whales to buy. And what are the whales? The whales are the market makers. They are the one that controls the market. Everyone finds as an opportunity to buy. We call it buying the dip. But most times why people buy and lose money is that they buy the wrong assets. You see, in my beginners class in cryptocurrency, I explained this clearly well to people that when it comes to buying, you see, there are four things you need to put in consideration. Number one is what to buy. Number two is when to buy. Number three is where to buy. Number four is how to buy. So if you miss any of these things, you're going to make a whole lot of mistake and lose a whole lot of money. So you have to be concerned about what you are buying. It's as important as when to buy. You can buy the right coin at the wrong time, yet you still lose your money. So the right timing must be equivalent to the right asset in order to make money as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Maybe you're a beginner just starting up in cryptocurrency, you don't even know anything about this. Please kindly check out my the description box below. I have the link for the 3 days free crypto class for any beginner who's just starting up in cryptocurrency, and it's going to help you a long way. You don't want to miss out on that. That's going to help you a long way. So please, let's get that done. So all you need to buy, and within 24 hours to 48 hours, you can make massive sell. So let me show you practically how we have applied this in the signal room, and it has worked for us, for those who are in my signal room. And I also give this offer to those who are in my Telegram channel. So let's go to my Telegram right now. Let me take you to my Telegram and show you how this has worked literally for us and how we have make money with this. So all you need to is come to this is my VIP signal. I'm going to show you specifically 2 days that we have applied this and it has worked for us on specific dates. So let me show you April 7th, April 8th, and April 12th when the market dwindled in price. So I told you it doesn't work all the time, but just have to be on the watch. And if you are not on the watch, just join our Telegram channel so that we can keep you on alert and tell you, okay, this is what's happening. Part time, we also give information like this in our Telegram channel. It's a free Telegram channel. That's the large community. So where we have over thousands of subscribers. I'll drop the link below. You can also join that right away. So see now, this we are on April 7th. You can see right there April 7th, and you can see what I mentioned to the student. Just read this caption below. Yeah, I told you guys to buy, to sell, and now it's time to buy back. Happy New Week. This is a good morning. It's time to buy again and make quick money. And you can see what happened in the market as of that day. You can see how the market has dwindled in price. You can see the current price minus 30. I was telling them actually this was from the all-time high, but as of that day we're having minus 15, minus 20 in the market. And let me show you the real picture of what the market looks like. That they see the current price in the market. You can see as at that time SOL was on $101, and that date it's even dwindled down to $95, I think $97 or so, and we bought massively and we sold at a very high price at 180. Some sold their own earlier, some sold their own later. So it all depends, but one thing is guaranteed is that this strategy is going to make you massive profits. And I told them to buy, and you see April 8th, I was telling them already, I think I'm ready to take profit on those coins I bought earlier yesterday, which means it's already on profit. No one goes wrong by taking profit. And later on April 12th, see April 12th here, I told them again, I'm ready to buy back. Now that I see that market has rebounded, we bought SOL back at, let me show you the price where we bought SOL back. Come and see it right here in this chart. We bought SOL back at $123. You can see it here, $123. And currently, SOL, after then, SOL traded for over $187. So we later on sold back at a very high price. Imagine that massive profit. That's over, you can just calculate that yourself. So you can think how that profit is massive. So that's how we have been trading this strategy, and it has worked for us significantly well and make massive profit. Let me show you another instance on February 7th and 8th. Don't worry, I'm going to take you to the app itself, to Binance, to show you, to validate the date, to validate this date for you. February 7th and 8th. February 7th and 8th. Let's go. I have a little, is it February? Oh no, February 25th and 28th. Let me find it out for you. I think it doesn't work all the time. The last time we did was February. The next time we had an opportunity was April. Since then, we have not had an opportunity. This is June already. So trust me, maybe we have an opportunity again to trade with this strategy this month. But you can ensure that if you apply this strategy maybe 4 times in a year, the 4 times is massively sure of profit. So instead of just going into just dabbling up and down, losing your money, going and coming, why not wait for the strategy? See, those who make money in the market learn to wait for the markets. They don't chase the markets, they wait for the markets. So let me show you this in February 25th. So what I told the student on February 25th, right here, you can see February 25th. You can see what I mentioned to students. You guys, yes, guys, we are ready to buy. We will be buying in two phases. If you intend to buy with $100, you can buy with $50 first. And yet, these are the assets we are buying. Those are the top assets I showed you. These have been our priority whenever we are buying on sports. We don't buy many coins on sports. These are our hard-earned money. We don't joke with it. So we are very, very conscious of what we buy and the kind of purchase we make. So these SRP as well, SUR, BTC, and virtually all of them did excellently well. And they bought and massively. Personally, I'm expecting the market to retest the low. And see here, I'm telling them already, this February 26th, you can see them here telling them I'm considering taking profits. That means it's absolutely on profit on the coin we bought earlier yesterday. I think I'm good with that while we wait. Remember, no one goes wrong by taking profits. I'm still expecting BTC. I'm selling all BNB. I've made good profit already. See it here. And you can see normal view. So it's not that it's a joke. It's not a joke. It's real. Practically real. This is my signal. I'm showing you live and how we made profit on this. I know you may not believe that. No, let's go to Binance. If you have your Binance open with me, let's go to Binance and see in real times how these dates have actually been validated. Let's go down. Let's use should we use SQL? Let's use SQL for instance. That will be much more better. So let's go to that April 7th, 8th, and 12th. So what you just need is to just long press on your screen, just drag down to where you find the date. So I'm going back to April 7th and 8th. Okay, I think it should be somewhere around there. It should be somewhere around there. So now see right on the screen, you can see here, check this out, check this information. This is where you find what happens. You can see April 7th, 2025, 0407, the market came down to as low as $95. That's what that chart is telling you. The market came as low as $95. That was the low the market came to that day. And immediately that day also rebounds to high of $113. You can see it here. You can see the low $95. You can see the high $113. That was what the market did that same day. So now we bought that day. That was at $95. The following day, it went as high as $112. You can see on the information chart. And the third day went as high as $121. So that means within that 48 hours, we have made more than 20% profit on our trade. That's far more than 20%. So we have made on that trade already. That's massive. But for those who didn't sell, some sold. I sold partial, and later on I told them again April 12th to rebuy. And those who rebuy at April 12th, let me show you where we bought back at April 12th. Sorry, let me go back to the chart. Okay, let's find our way back to the chart. So at April 12th, those who bought back at April 12th, this April. April 10, 11, and 12, when we know that the market is going up already, I told them to buy again. That's why we buy back at 123. And see, later on, so that's $187 here. You can see here, $187 as at April 23rd, as at May 23rd. So imagine that marginal profit within 1 month. That's extremely massive. Just imagine some who bought like with $1,000 and likes. This strategy has worked over and over again. I remember giving one of my students to buy BTC at I think 1,500. Oh no, $1,375. Coming up, I'm gonna fill the chart and the date to verify. 1,350 or something dollars. I know it's less than $1,400. And the guy later on sold the ETH back at over $2,500. That was over $1,000 already on profit. A lot of proof I can show you right in the signal, but well, timing up permits me to do that for you. So guys, this strategy has worked over and over again, and I believe it's going to work for you as well. All you need is just be patient, find the right opportunity. And how do you know the right opportunity? You stay patient by watching the 24 hours change on BTC. But if you can't do that, just ensure to join our Telegram channel. That's our own personal Telegram channel, the general community, where we have the King's Crypto Academy. Let me show you also on that April 12th, when I was giving the students in the signal room, I also did the same for them, those who are in our free channel. You can see the same thing here, April 12th. Let me just show you. So I know that I give this offer as well. See this April 12th, asking them to buy SQL. And also earlier before that, April 7th and 8th, I showed them the good opportunity. This was when I was telling them about ETH, to buy ETH as well. Should I even show you the price where I actually asked them to buy ETH so that you can see what the price was. As at this current price, when I was asking them to buy ETH was 1,000. You may not be able to see it very well. 1,483. 1,483. That was when ETH price was when I was asking them to buy. And currently, ETH is trading over $2,500. You can see how people are making money. This even in the free channel, not even in the general, not even in the main, in the VIP signal room. You can see how they are making money. So guys, this I will apply this and it has worked for us. Please apply this, and I believe you are going to thank me back later when opportunities show face and you make massive money. So please, if you are not in our signal room, you can as well join our signal room. We have the Telegram VIP signal room. You can see it right on your screen. You can also see our 8Z course, which you can buy. It's a beginner course on cryptocurrency. It will take and step to step on how you can start your journey in cryptocurrency. It's absolutely the master and the best you can find out there as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. And you can also have the VIP signal room where you can actually join us and make massive money and start trading with us. Like signal traders, all you just need is signals. You can see right, I'll show you my signal room. See the signal room, just let me go gradually, and you see how guys have been making money here. You can see all the signals, just read them yourself. See all of them as like over 90% accuracy. That's our signal room, and you can see money we have made over and over again. If this is not working, I won't have to tell you to apply it, and it's really working for us. And I believe it can work same for you and make money with us right here in KCA. All right, guys. Then lastly, let me make a disclaimer. This is not a financial advice. It's just for an education purpose only. So please ensure you do your own personal research. And I love you guys. Please ensure to subscribe our YouTube channel if you have not done so. And see you in the next video. Thank you and God bless.